So our today's topic is globes and maps, and this topic is for sixth class. So first of all, the definition of a globe. A globe is a model of the earth. Then it is the only true model which represents the earth in its spherical shape. As you know, the shape of our earth is oblate spheroid, but approximately sphere is over there. So this is the only model which shows earth in its proper spherical shape. As you can see over here, it is mounted on a stand and rotates on a thin spoke inserted through the globe that represents the earth's axis. And we can learn many things from globe like rotation of the earth, location of the continents, oceans, directions, distance, and many more things. Let us have some advantages of our globe. So globe gives most accurate shape of the earth. It provides three-dimensional view of the earth, that's length, breadth, and height. It is mainly replica of the earth and gives a realistic view of all the physical features which are present upon our earth. A globe gives directions and distances without distortion. What is distortion? It's deformation or out of shape. And what is distortion? We will understand this term when we'll make maps, because in maps distortion is over there. There are some disadvantages of a globe. So as it is heavy, it is difficult to carry around, and a part of the earth is visible at the time. We have to rotate the globe to see the other parts of the earth. It's unable to provide detailed information on a large scale. For example, if we have to search Nawa Shahar or Punjab on a globe, it's difficult. It cannot show. It gives a false impression of the relative curvature of the earth. As I have told you, the correct shape of the earth is oblate spheroid. So the curvatures which are over here, they show the false impression. And moreover, the radius of the globe is a lot less than the radius of the earth. The radius of our earth is 6378.1 kilometer. So this is all for the globes. In the next video, we will take about our maps. Thank you.